apart from the online side of things, what else could the focus be on?
Well, not what it could be on, but what it absolutely needs to be on is how are we evolving inside of our workshop. So it's great to talk about online and bookings and all that sort of thing, but what about once the customer in the car gets to the workshop, are we still doing things the way we did, 2, 5, 10 years ago? So where are the wins there where we can be more efficient in delivering that service? Because there's a lot more to take than just taking the booking to running a workshop. The car comes in, it's the technician, it's the training, it's the diagnostic, it's ordering the parts, it's the invoicing, it's the communicating with the customer. There's a whole value chain that goes on beyond that. So we need to look at our businesses and make sure that we're setting aside time to look at, what are the new technologies, platforms and practices that we can use to make our businesses more efficient instead of just leaving them the way they've done. So, in terms of how we're quoting, are we still getting the scratch pad out and, are we using our workshop management system to come up with a quote, or can we automate that? Are we still using paper job cards and then having the service advisor type them up and try and read the mechanic's handwriting? And if many mechanics are like me, I was terrible.
Mechanics, doctors, very similar.
I think they're on par, but we're doing things now that we shouldn't be doing anymore.